Hi everyone, my name is Samuel Castillo. I am student University of SNSAE. My student ID is AL093465. I live my location, Juarez City. This is subject English, major logistics engineer. This is my integrative project. Next, I will show you my progress in the English language. Let's Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining the meeting. Before we begin, I want to highlight that I have observed daily receiving inventory and reconciliation and staff training for the past 5 years. I have magnum multiple high volume shipment and significantly improved to our caution race. Station manager, we appreciate your work. Well, could you explain what happened with yesterday's late shipment and the missing items? Yes, yesterday at night early, I had already received two trucks and update the system while conducting as cyclic counting in a slave for our teams had been scanning pallets and labels for 3 hours to resolve discrepancies when the shipment delayed notification coming in. I was coordination with the loading docks staffs and reviewing the documentation when the driver informed us that one pallet was damaged. Team member, what damage what caused? The damaged pallet contained several boxes. They were miscounted during receiving because the boxes were with some vehicles were illegible and the scanner missed them. I have trained the team on because only and manual entry procedures, and we have used to process many times before with reduced error in the past. However, in this instance, the combination of bad weather and S led to failure. Operation manager, how did you react? Immediately after the driver informed of the user damage, I called the supplier and requested a replacement pallet. In the meantime, I instructed to team members to conduct a manual count of a slate for while I wrote the index report by the team. The replacement pallet arrived. We have identified all the missing items and adjusted the inventory records. Manager, looking back in three, anytime you would have done differently. Yes, if we had anticipated the storm and implemented stricter receiving controls in advance, we would have advanced the counting errors. If we have the receiving incoming shipments to the covered warehouse before it started raining the vehicles wouldn't have been damaged and the walls have been already. In other words, if I had prepared for the weather, we would have at the inventory discrepancy. trick coordination. Thanks everyone for watching me. That's all. That's all. See you soon.